Hello guys, today was day one of the 30-day challenge that I have taken for myself, and to be very honest with you, since I was very dedicated to this challenge, today was a very productive day compared to any of the other days that I was living in the past life. And I woke up early in the morning. I made breakfast for myself. I wake a little bit late today, somewhere around 10 o'clock, which I'll improve from tomorrow onwards. But I made breakfast for myself, and then after that, I sat down to work. I made a to do list that I had to do for the whole day, and in that to do list, I tried to figure out a lot of ways in which I can, sell either a product or a service through my skills and earn money. So selling a product was not the thing that I wanted to do, so I used my skill. I figured out some things that I'll be doing for a lot of people to earn money for myself. Few of them were social media handling and video editing and content writing. Out of all these things, everything, I'm not going to do everything. I'm going to outsource a couple of things, but my intent right now is to get more and more client and more work, so that I can either outsource few of the work and do some of the work myself. So that's how I'm going to earn, this 1 lakh per month wala challenge. So if I talk about the things that I did today, I had a connect with one of the content writer, Falak. I finalized the terms of our agreement, the payment method, and the payment terms and everything like that. So after having a word with Falak, I also luckily got connected with the client because I was already in touch with her from the last few days, and she wanted someone to edit her videos, Instagram reels, and YouTube videos. So I connected with one of my video editors to her, and then we closed the deal today. Tomorrow we are going to finalize it and move ahead with it. So I will be managing the Instagram account of her and the YouTube account of her. So that gives us one client as of now for this particular challenge. And going forward, I'll be finding a lot of ways in which I can get new clients. So there is this one specific thing called data scrapping, or you can say it email scrapping. Going forward, I'll be doing that because after scraping a lot of data, what I have learned and what I have listened a lot, that people say that send out cold emails. I think cold emails are something that I want to try myself because I have a lot of data with me. I recently, 1 month back, purchased a lot of data, and that data was very segregated. But I think this is the time to utilize that data, and with the help of that data, I think I'll be able to get more revenue because I'll pitch those people for different kind of services like video editing, like content writing, or maybe photo designing or something like that. So the whole aim of my vision here is to either do the things that people want me to do, and if there is anything specific that I cannot do for them, I'll get it done for them with the help of someone else. Let's say if I get a video editing project, so in that scenario what I'll do is I'll outsource that particular project to someone else, and I'll be in the I'll be the person who will be communicating with the client and who will be communicating with the video editor as well, so that I can take a cut in between, and that's how I'll earn some money without doing nothing in that thing. So I think it is going to be a very exciting journey. Today was very good, and towards the end of the day, I went to my gym. I got my registration. So the things that I wanted to work upon during this challenge was earning that 1 lakh that I challenged myself for. Second, I wanted to work on my health and my physique. So this is like for that I got enrolled in the gym. And the very last thing, I'm working upon my diet and all the other mindset things that I am supposed to be doing. So I have figured out a little bit of time for reading and learning new things through YouTube. So there's one very, yesterday night I was casually browsing through YouTube, learning some, new things. I went across a very great video, and after seeing that video, I felt like there is a lot of unexplored useful information on the internet which I haven't ever tapped upon. So there is going to be a portion of my day, I'll probably think 30 minutes to 1 hour is going to be that time, where I'll try to figure out new things, learn new things, and ways through which I can earn more money and complete this challenge before 30 days. So that's how and what I'm aiming for the next 30 days. Today was a great day, and I think it was much productive than last. I have not had such a productive day in the last 2 3 months, I believe, as far as I remember. So going forward, tomorrow I'll share what else I had and what else did I do, and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.